Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's edition of Lux Ledger, we'll get started with a couple of news that came over the weekend and then move on to the news that we wanted to discuss with you today. In today's news and analysis, the first and foremost news that we wanted to discuss is Style Capital's latest move, which is basically a strategic investment in premium sneaker brand Autry. Style Capital recently announced its acquisition of a majority stake in premium sneaker brand Autry, and this strategic move sees the Milan-based private luxury fund purchasing 50.2% from Autry from the Made in Italy fund as well as the brand's founders, that's the Doro family, valuing the transaction at approximately 300 million euros. Autry is known from its premium sneakers, which were inspired by American premium sneakers and aesthetics from 1970s and 1980s. And it has been seen that Autry has shown remarkable growth over the past couple of years, and it has sales of approximately 110 million euros in 2023, up from 30 million euros just 2 years back. What Style Capital is going to be focusing on its expansion within Italy as well as in international locations. And what can be said is that this endeavor aligns with Style Capital's objective to replicate its previous success stories by investing in storytelling, brand awareness, product innovation to create iconic brands. Now, if you remember, Style Capital previously just exited from Zimmerman. So, Style Capital does have experience in what it's trying to do in terms of laying the heritage of the brand and focusing on brand awareness, storytelling for expansion within the country as well as for international expansion. This is one of the articles that I wrote at my website, that is pallavisegal.com, and you can read through it in the strategy and marketing section, wherein we also discuss the Style Capital's investment philosophy. Now, Style Capital's investment philosophy is mainly investing into brands and then helping them expand. And it has been previously seen in brands like Redone, which is Los Angeles based, and also Italian labels like Forte and MSGM. Its acquisition strategy is not just about financial investment, which it has never been, but it also focuses on contributing to brands' expansion and narrative, and a philosophy which has been previously seen in European luxury e-tailer like Lucia Veroma and French brand. Now, the fund's track record in nurturing brands to achieve iconic growth bodes well for Autry's future. Given that, we are really excited about how we are going to start seeing brand awareness being created about Autry label and the advertisements, the brand ambassadors, and the expansion plans for the same. So stay tuned in as we also follow this news. Next, we wanted to discuss with you Mango's financial results. Now, Mango has had a fantastic 2023. We'll recap 2023 for you, and we'll also discuss with you its road to 2026, which has been announced by the brand. As we said, Mango has had a record-breaking 2023, and we have seen that the Barcelona-based fashion giant has made significant milestones, and it has set ambitious targets for future growth also. With respect to the financial highlights, Mango has achieved a 20% increase in turnover in 2023, and it has reached to 3.1 billion euros, up from 2.83 billion euros in 2022. What's notable about this growth is that 1/3 of this comes from online channel. This growth, approximately 33% of it, that's 1 billion euros, comes from the online sales at Mango. And the company's net profits also saw doubling from 81 million euros from the previous year to 172 million euros for this year. A lot of this growth can be attributed to its expansion strategy. The company expanded its retail footprint by opening 130 new stores, which have contributed to its growth. And Mango has articulated its strategic plan in terms of 4E, which is targeting an ambitious goal of 4 billion euro sales by 2026. And why it becomes a 4E? It is by elevating the brand, expanding its global presence, increasing the earnings, and empowering the communities. That is how it describes 4E. 4 billion euros through these four focus areas. Now, we all know that women's fashion is a primary area for Mango, but it was announced by the company that it also saw growth in the men's, kids, and the teen segments. And its strategic focus beyond Europe has turned to be the US market also. And it plans to make US one of the top three markets by 2026. Now, this is what we wanted to discuss with you with respect to Mango and its financial results, which were just released. That's all that we have for you today. Do stay tuned in for tomorrow's edition of Lux Ledger. Thank you.